Buenos Dias, I'm Dia and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 26 of my 28-day fitness challenge. I am super excited for this chest and tricep workout. We are doing an all dumbbell workout, so we have to be really careful and watch our form. We do not want to get hurt. Now, I do have a question for you women out there with the bigger breastises. I need a sports bra with support because I don't want to be doing my HIIT workout and just be bouncing all over the place. So if you have a favorite sports bra, do comment that down below, leave a link, whatever it is, I am in need. Help a girl out. Oh, before we go into the workout, I would like to give a little shout out to Alex's mom, Jennifer, for this outfit. I am so excited. I feel super sexy in this. And you know, when you feel good about yourself in the gym, you want to kill that workout. You're like, damn, I look good right now. Oh, just kill it, kill it. So let's go into the workout now. Alright you guys, we are going to start off our workout with a close grip dumbbell press. We are doing 3 sets of 12 reps. Then moving on to seated tricep extensions, we're doing 3 sets of 12 reps as well. This next exercise, you want to be very careful and make sure you are focused on your form. We're doing dumbbell flies. We're doing 3 sets of 10 reps. And we are going to finish off with dips. We're doing 3 sets of 15 reps. We're just going to knock them all out. Welcome back you guys. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Tomorrow is day 27 of the 28-day fitness challenge. We are almost done! Day 28 is a rest day, but we do have a special video coming out that day. We'll see you tomorrow. Adios. Before we go, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can see the next round of awesome content.